Welcome to Best Choice. The best clamp removal tool is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked gadgets in any DIYer's or professional mechanic's toolkit, designed to make the frustrating task of removing stubborn hose clamps significantly easier and faster, saving you time and preventing potential damage to hoses or surrounding components during the process. Number 5. iCRIMP Ratchet PEX Cinch Tool. This tool is designed to work with stainless steel clamps from any manufacturer, making PX connections from 3/8 inch to 1 inch. It meets ASTM 2098 standards for reliable performance. Its innovative design allows it to not only cinch clamps but also remove them, enabling you to reuse pipe fittings. This makes it a cost-effective and convenient solution for your plumbing needs. Crafted from durable, high-quality steel using a forging process, this tool is built for longevity. The precision-engineered jaws ensure accurate and reliable performance every time. Switching between cinching and removing functions is simple. The ratcheting design and self-release mechanism make cinching effortless, and it comes factory-adjusted, requiring no calibration. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for PX pipe installation. You'll receive the cinch and remove tool, a PX cutter, and a generous supply of clamps in popular sizes. What we like. This tool offers universal compatibility with various clamp sizes and types, making it incredibly versatile. Its innovative design allows for both cinching and removing clamps, which is a significant cost saver. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution for PX pipe installations that includes the tool, cutter, and clamps, this all-in-one kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The cutter is great, nice square cuts. The crimp band cutter works well. Turn to number 2 and squeeze the clamp and a little twist, it pops off. The tool resulted in a tight seal with no leaks. It is affordable and built well. A nice feature is the crimping tool does not return back to the open state until the crimp head reaches a certain point, ensuring the PEX clamp is at its optimal tightness. Number 4. Keze 3 PCS Auto Clip Pliers Set. Meet the Keze 3 PCS Auto Clip Pliers Set, your ultimate solution for automotive trim and fastener removal. This comprehensive set is designed to make your car maintenance tasks easier and more efficient. This set includes a 9-inch 2-in-1 clip plier and 2 fastener removal tools, measuring 8.7 and 11.8 inches. With these tools, you'll have everything you need to tackle any job, big or small. Crafted from high-quality number 65 manganese steel and toughened PPE handles, these tools are built to last. The slim clamp heads easily access tight spaces, while the non-slip, ergonomic handles ensure a comfortable grip, even during extended use. Designed for efficiency, these tools allow you to effortlessly remove car trim, door panels, clips, and more with a simple squeeze. Save time and effort on your automotive interior and exterior projects. Perfect for a wide range of vehicles and applications, including cars, boats, trucks, and even furniture. These tools are your go-to for any trim removal and installation task. Keep your tools organized and portable with the included special storage bag. We are committed to your satisfaction, so please reach out to our customer service for any assistance or concerns. What we like. This set provides 3 different pliers for various clip removal needs, ensuring you have the right tool for the job. Constructed from heavy-duty manganese steel, these tools are built to last and resist wear. If you frequently work on automotive interiors and need to remove door panels, trim, or dashboards without causing damage, this ergonomic set is ideal for saving you time and effort. What people say. The tool is designed to easily remove clamps without damaging them. It features a comfortable grip for better control and leverage during use. The durable construction ensures it can withstand repeated use in demanding environments. Number 3. BILITOOLS Hose Pinch-Off Pliers. Introducing the BILITOOLS Hose Pinch-Off Pliers, designed for a wide range of applications. These pliers are perfect for working with flexible fuel lines, radiator coolant hoses, and brake lines. This set includes both straight and 90 degrees angled pliers in 3 convenient sizes, 5.9, 7.3, and 10 inches. You'll always have the right tool for the job. Crafted from durable, glass-reinforced nylon, these pliers are built to last. They can withstand temperatures up to 160 degrees Celsius, ensuring reliability in various conditions. The smooth, rounded jaw edges and adjustable locking ring prevent damage to your hoses. They allow you to securely clamp hoses over a wide area without causing harm. Designed with an ergonomic handle, these pliers offer a comfortable grip for easy operation, making hose clamping tasks simple and efficient. Use them for repairs on coolant, brake, and fuel systems, as well as vacuum lines. They are an essential addition to any mechanic's toolkit. What we like. This set features both straight and 90-degree angled pliers, allowing access to clamps in tight or awkward spaces. Made from durable, temperature-resistant glass-reinforced nylon, these tools are built for longevity in various automotive repair scenarios. If you're dealing with flexible fuel lines, radiator hoses, or brake lines and need to pinch them off without causing damage, this set with its secure locking function is the perfect solution. What people say. Was able to clamp off a lot of lines instead of removing. Made the job go much quicker and a much smaller loss of liquid. Used them a few times with replacing some of the cooling components. They work great, since you have various sizes and they hold really well, minimal leaking at most. Super string and the adjuster does not move once you set it. These work great. Solid build quality to them. Hope they last a long time. Number 2. Keze 17 PCS Hook and Pick Set. Introducing the Keze 17 PCS Hook and Pick Set, your ultimate companion for automotive repair. This comprehensive kit is designed to tackle a wide range of tasks with precision and ease. It includes a variety of specialized picks and hooks, from straight and curved to angled designs, in both large and mini sizes. These are perfect for delicate jobs like removing small fuses, gaskets, and springs. Say goodbye to scratched car panels. This set features durable clip pliers and trim removal tools made from impact-resistant nylon fiber. They are designed to easily remove fasteners from interior trim, door panels, and more without causing damage. Struggling to find dropped parts in tight spaces? The telescoping magnetic pickup tool with an LED light extends to reach those difficult areas. Its flexible magnetic head easily grabs nuts, bolts, and screws, making it indispensable for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts alike. This versatile set also includes an automotive gasket scraper with an ergonomically designed handle. It's perfect for removing stubborn gaskets, rust, paint, and carbon buildup from various surfaces, not just engines. Beyond automotive use, these tools are ideal for diesel machinery, industrial environments, and even home repairs like faucet O-rings and garden hose gaskets. It's a truly multi-purpose kit for professionals and homeowners. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers an impressive 17 pieces, including specialized hooks, picks, and pliers for a wide range of automotive repair tasks. The inclusion of a telescoping magnetic pickup tool with an LED light is a standout feature for retrieving dropped parts in hard-to-reach areas. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic who needs a versatile set for detailed work, trim removal, and retrieving small metal components, this kit provides exceptional value. What people say. This tool kit came in handy to install lights and video cams in vehicles. Excellent choice of tools when working with automotive grommets and headliners. Made the work job go quicker and saved the interior of vehicles' fasteners from breaking. The magnetic flashlight is a real bonus. Number 1. CV Axle Boot Clamp Tool Kit. Introducing our professional CV Axle Boot Clamp Tool, designed for efficient removal and installation. This essential tool ensures a secure fit for your vehicle's drive shaft. This kit comes with 20 high-quality stainless steel clamps, including 10 small and 10 large sizes. They offer adjustable diameters to fit a wide range of applications, ensuring you have the right size for any job. Our tool is engineered for ease of use, allowing you to quickly and safely crimp and lock the clamps. Simply crimp the clamp, then turn the screw to secure it in place for a perfect, undamaged installation. Everything you need is in this comprehensive kit: the CV boot clamp pliers, 10 large clamps, 10 small clamps, and a pair of gloves. It's ready to use right out of the box. Crafted with precision, this tool is built to last. The adjustable jaws and smooth operating screw mechanism make it a reliable choice for automotive maintenance. Your satisfaction is our top priority. If you encounter any issues with your purchase, please don't hesitate to contact us for prompt assistance. What we like. This tool is specifically designed for the precise task of installing and removing CV axle boot clamps, ensuring a secure fit every time. It comes as a complete kit, including both small and large stainless steel clamps, so you have everything you need in one package. If you're tackling automotive drive shaft repairs and need a specialized, easy-to-use tool for securing dust boot clamps, this kit is an efficient and reliable choice. What people say. The tool is excellent quality. The clamps that it come with are a little bit weak. If you try to tighten them completely they can break, but they do get the job done. But in my opinion you should purchase the OEM clamps for your CV axle boots and use this tool to tighten them appropriately. The tool itself is worth the price even though the clamps are subpar. This was a quick fix for my 2015 Sienna. Inner CV boot was leaking from the fat end and the boot had no sign of failure. Clean it up, cut the old band off, top off the CV with proper grease, and clamp it down. Try to line up the crimps on opposite ends for a professional look. Worked great. The end with the catch on it, bend it to match the curve of the axle and you'll be good to go. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.